Today I'm so excited to share this cozy and creative project with you. I recently thrifted these adorable vintage snack sets that have these little indented wells off to the side. It seemed perfect for jewelry trays or makeup vanity organizers. The offset design leaves plenty of space for rings, earrings, or brushes. But I had another idea. I got this candle making kit that I'm going to unbox with you and use for my very first time. Inside the kit is an electric stove or warmer, thermometer, candle wicks, rubber pads, soy wax flakes, wick clips that look like popsicle sticks with a hole in the center, a spoon, and a little pot. I started by pouring soy wax flakes into the pot and placing it on the electric warmer to melt. While that was heating up, I started securing the wicks. I stuck the metal base to the bottom center of each teacup, and then I held it centered by placing the wick through the popsicle stick and laying it across the top to keep everything straight. I took the tiniest chip out of this red candle color block and tossed it into the melting wax, and I stirred it. The instructions say to heat the melted wax between 158 to 167 degrees. So once it was heated, I poured the melted wax into the teacups. The color didn't look pink how I wanted it, but I was pleasantly surprised that by the time the candle started to cool, the pink was the exact shade that I had in mind. I did let the candles cool and set overnight. I trimmed the wicks and my candles were ready. It looked really pretty, and I think that by the time the candle is finished burning, I can still use it for Q-tips or jewelry. But I have a really special and unexpected way to upcycle these teacups, and I can't wait to show you that. Stay tuned for that video coming later this week, and like and subscribe for more DIY, crafts, tea party decor, hacks, and ideas.